Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video I demonstrate how to do low fade. I usually use number 3 guard to overcome, in order to simplify the next guard. Then I make a guidelines for the preparation for fading. I usually used 1.5 guard. Followed by 0.5 guard. Then lever close. Comb over clipper for the alignment in the left side. Zero lever close. One 1.5 guard. Point 5 guard. Zero lever closed. And in the right side with the same procedure, number 3 guard to overcome for the preparation of the next guard. Then zero lever closed for the guideline or bulb line for low fading. One 0.5 guard. Followed by 0.5 guard. Open lever then closed. Comb over clipper. And shaving the corner upline. Then using the detailer to cope up the bottom hair. Comb over shear to diminish the dark spot. And using detailer to cope up the remaining hair from the bottom. Shaving the corner upline. Spraying the hair for the preparation of the upper part. Cutting the upper part using clipper. And this is how to do low fade. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe.